brush off any loose dust. Just apply a gloss top coat to protect well this beautiful gradient blend pigment dry color stamping nail art using SheModern sticky white stamping polish as the base image. I'm going to use this color white opaque air dry stamping polish sticky from SheModern to stamp this image here. Apply a thin layer evenly using a clean side of the scraper. Scrape down the excess polish and then a clean jelly stamper. Pick up the image. SheModern sticky stamping polish. Pick up fine thin line stamping image for most stamping plate really well, so give it a try. Clean up the surrounding, the unwanted polish area of the image. This is a dark black polish base that is non-stick. So this stamping image can stamp over regular polish or gel polish. If regular polish, at the end apply regular air dry top coat. If gel polish, at the end apply gel top coat. But make sure it to be completely non-stick, because I do plan to play with dry color with loose pigment over the sticky white stamping polish. So therefore I want the pigment only stick to the sticky image, not the background. The pigment can be brushed off easily with the background non-stick. So it is a sticky image. Take your time to place the image to where you want it to be over the curve of the nail. Since we're using the air dry sticky stamping polish, not semi-gel, so no need to get under gel light. Artists can stop here and have this simple classic black and white nail art with the white stamping image and against the dark black background and top off with top coat, or continue on with tinting these white base image with colors by playing with dry color with loose pigment. White is the best base colors, or if worse, choose a lighter sticky color base, but white gonna be the best base color to tint it and play with dry color with loose sheer pigment neon. With the dry coloring, artists can have one color or mix different color to create beautiful gradient effect. And using a soft brush with different size to a detail area of this flower, I'm using a smaller side brush with the pointed tip here. Make sure the brush is dry, not wet, so that way when we pick up the loose pigment, it's gonna be easily tap over top. So here, a shade of gradient pink and the leaf to be green. It is really quick and easy to play with dry color with loose pigment as long as the base image is sticky, and that is what SheModern sticky stamping polish is. Here, this is an awesome way to create a quick and easy way to create gradient blend with different color effect. And white is the best base colors to bring out the vibrant of these sheer neon pigment. And black is a good color joy with a high contrast to hide the sheer pigment if there are any stain over it and you won't see it well. So that is the flower, and this is the green represent the leaf. We can have one solid color for the leaf or create a gradient blend with different colors. I'm going to create a light shading of the leaf of this green and yellow. This is a dry color with loose pigment over sticky white stamping image technique. Quick and easy. So the technique is dab the pigment to adhere the pigment over the sticky image. The loose pigment will stick to the sticky image. And now we can brush off any loose dust. And the background is non-stick and it's dark and it's black. It's gonna minimize visual staining if there is any of the color image. But it's non-stick, so the loose pigment can brush off easily. And the white is tinted to different neon colors because it is sticky. Brush off any loose dust. And if this is a stamping nail art over regular polish, then can lightly float regular air dry top coat over this to protect this nail art. And if this is a gel stamping image over gel polish base, then just apply a gel gloss top coat or matte top coat to protect well this beautiful gradient blend pigment dry color stamping nail art using SheModern sticky white stamping polish as the base image.